Everyone, this is Wade Motor. I'm the Executive Director of the Upper Sugar River Watershed Association. I'm here at the West Branch of the Sugar River, just south of Mount Horeb. Really beautiful this morning. I want to do a quick video to talk about some of the changes that are coming to the Upper Sugar River Watershed Association. All good changes, but as a snippet, we're going to be hiring, and we're going to be taking on two pretty major grants coming up from the DNR. So let me backtrack and tell you how we got here. A few months prior, a group called Southwest Badger that worked in a 9-county area of southwestern Wisconsin, they ceased their operations, and they reached out to us to see if any of their outstanding grants that they still need to fulfill would be matches for us. We took a look, and there are two of them that both invasive species related grants that we felt would be a reach for us, but something that we could really handle, and it would help us expand our wings as an organization as well. So we're going to be taking on two different grants. They will take place in southwestern Wisconsin. So the 9-county area that Southwest Badger serviced, we will be doing that same thing with these two grants. You might be thinking, well, the Upper Sugar River Watershed Association is just it's just a small little watershed in southwestern Dane County. Why are we going into a whole different part of the state? It's a good question. For one, I think these grants do cover, partially, they do cover our watershed. Some of the work that's going to be done will be in our watershed. But secondly, I think we talked about it, and invasive species really don't know any boundaries. And I think if we're managing invasive species 100 miles away, 50 miles away, it doesn't matter what it is, that's going to indirectly benefit our watershed as well. So we thought it was a match. And what's exciting for us is since the beginning of our organization, we've always had some paid staff person, which is pretty rare around the state. But we've always had some sort of paid staff person. I became full-time 3 years ago as the executive director, but now because of this grant, we're going to almost double our budget, and we're going to be looking for a second full-time person to manage this program. So that's really exciting for us. I did some reorganization of the office last week. Got a few new toys for the new employee to work with. So we're getting really excited. We're a little nervous, but this is good growth for us, and it's really all possible because our membership, the people that have supported us all these years, our board of directors that has checked all the boxes and made sure that we're doing the proper things here. It's really a credit to anyone that's been involved in this organization over the past nearly 20 years. So we're very excited. If you have any questions, you can always contact me via email. My email is wade@uppersugar.org. Otherwise, you can call our office at 608-437-7707. And let me direct you to the job posting. That's going to be at our website, uppersugar.org. It'll be right on the homepage. The application deadline ends June 5th. That's a Wednesday. So after that date, we're going to be hopefully interviewing some candidates and getting a great person on board to be our second staff person at the Upper Sugar River Watershed Association. So really exciting stuff. Please let me know if you have any questions, but thanks for listening this morning, and thanks for supporting our group.